Okay, so you remember we have in your dashboard, you have a dev, a test, and a live environment. So the dev is where you've been doing all the changes and you can look and see what it looks like in the dev environment. The test with this little icon means we test your code against the database from the live environment. So what we want to do is inside the database and files of the test, we clone from live into the test. It's very important. From test environment, we're going to clone the data and files from the live environment to the test environment. Just triple check this because I've done major issues with this in the past. So yes, I want to clone the database and the files from the live into the test environment. So what that means is we're going to take all of the stuff that's on the live site, all of the new pages and posts and files and uploads and graphics and everything, and then move it into the test site. And then we'll test that against your new theme changes or your module changes or your code commits. So while that's going, we can always check to see the current status in your workflow. And then concurrently, after this moves over, because what you'll do is if you see the test site, you'll get this error because it's bringing everything over. You'll get just some black text, or usually you'll get some black text right now. So it is deploying. And it looks like you have some code that you're ready to deploy to the test environment from the dev. That's fine. And so what we'll do is we'll catch up everything that's on dev and test it against live code in the test environment. So we don't do anything at all on the live environment. Then when you're confirmed that everything on the test environment is working as expected and does everything that you need to do. Again, sometimes you'll see this. That's happening while the database is being moved over. You can check in the workflow. You'll see how the database takes a little bit while to move over. So it'll take just like a couple minutes. Go get a cup of coffee or something and then come back. And then what you'll be able to do is test your code against live data. When you're completely confirmed that that works, you can go to the live environment and you first make a backup of everything that's in the backup log. I've just made the backup right now, so you can use that, but you make a backup of everything so that we can always restore if something catastrophic happens. And then when you're ready, all you have to do is deploy the code from the test environment to the live environment. And you know that that will work all right because you've already tested the code against your live database inside the test environment. So again, test is where you'll see everything and change everything. Live, you'll never really be interacting with except to push code to. And dev is where you do all of your development work.